21-year-old man charged for the murder of Dr. Lynvale Bloomfield.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
21-year-old Simeon Sutherland, the man who was initially picked up as a person of interest in relation to the murder of Dr. Lynvale Bloomfield, the Member of Parliament for Eastern Portland, was formally charged with the crime by the police on Friday the 1st of March. Sutherland, a native of Buff Bay in Portland, was picked up after scientific evidence reportedly linked him to the scene of the crime. He had been questioned twice by investigators before formal charges were laid against him. He is set to appear in court next week. The man, who is said to also frequent an Otter Bay in St. Mary, was initially arrested on Wednesday, February 13, by investigators from the Major Investigative Division MID, who have led the probe. During the initial questioning, it was revealed that Sutherland admitted to being with Bloomfield several hours prior to his naked body being discovered with stab wounds. However, he denied knowing anything about the killing. Sutherland was then released from police custody on Thursday afternoon, February 14th, but was again arrested by the police on Tuesday, February 26th, after forensic evidence reportedly linked him to the crime scene. Bloomfield was found with multiple stab wounds by an employee at his home in Pasley Gardens, Portland, about 10:30 a.m. on Saturday, February 2nd. 2 knives recovered at the politician's home, along with a vest found in bushes near the premises, are said to be vital evidence in the case. The report from a post-mortem examination that was conducted on Bloomfield's body determined that the 2-term Member of Parliament received 20 stab wounds.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.